Are you making these mistakes with your morning lemon water routine? Stay tuned to find out how to get the most out of this healthy habit. Welcome back to the Wellness Guide, your trusted source for health and wellness tips. Drinking lemon water every morning is a fantastic way to boost your health. But are you sure you're doing it right? Today, we're uncovering the 7 common mistakes people make with their lemon water routine and how to avoid them for maximum benefits. While lemon water is a great addition to your daily routine, many people unknowingly make mistakes that can diminish its benefits. Let's dive into these common pitfalls and learn how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, using bottled lemon juice. Many people opt for bottled lemon juice for convenience, but it often contains preservatives and lacks the nutrients of fresh lemons. Always use fresh lemons for the best results. Mistake number 2, not diluting enough. Lemon juice is highly acidic and can damage tooth enamel if not properly diluted. Make sure to add enough water to your lemon juice. Mistake number 3, drinking it cold. Cold lemon water can shock your system, especially in the morning. Opt for warm or room temperature water to ease digestion and absorption. Mistake number 4, not drinking it immediately. Lemon juice can lose its potency over time. Drink your lemon water immediately after preparation to ensure you get all the benefits. Mistake number 5, adding sweeteners. Adding sugar or honey can negate the health benefits of lemon water. Try to enjoy it plain to avoid unnecessary calories. Mistake number 6, skipping the rind. The lemon rind contains valuable nutrients and antioxidants. Include a bit of the zest in your water for an extra health boost. Mistake number 7, drinking it to fast. Gulping down lemon water can cause digestive issues. Sip it slowly to allow your body to absorb the nutrients effectively. And here's the most surprising mistake, not rinsing your mouth afterwards. The acidity in lemon water can erode tooth enamel over time. Rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking to protect your teeth. To recap, avoid these 7 common mistakes to make the most of your morning lemon water. Use fresh lemons. Dilute properly. Drink it warm. Consume immediately. Skip the sweeteners. Include the rind. Sip slowly. And rinse your mouth afterwards. By following these tips, you can truly harness the benefits of this simple yet powerful drink. Did you find these tips helpful? Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Wellness Guide for more health tips. And don't forget to share your own lemon water experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.